Well, let's now get in our commodities editor Manisha Gupta for a quick check on the commodities space. Good morning, Manisha. It seems to be a positive sentiment across the commodities pack.
It sure is, yes, Savan. The last 3 weeks, if that was anything to go by, we have seen good start coming in for this week as well, especially for the precious metal prices, where silver prices, after gaining more than 9%, have started 1% of gains in the Asian markets today. Silver prices are holding above $31 an ounce at this point in time. In the Indian markets, we are holding around 57,000 rupees per kg right now. Ditto has been the case with gold, 4.5-month highs onto that one, more than 3% of gains coming in the previous week, and nearly $5 of gains is how you can see that one trading in Asia right now. The markets are back with the hope of stimulus coming in from US and Beijing, and that's what's supporting most of these commodities. Ditto going in for the crude prices as well. Yes, last week was a good one. We actually have seen 4 continuous weekly gains coming in for crude prices, and this could really be a 5th one. There are concerns coming in from supply concerns. Venezuela has seen some production cuts after a fire accident there. Ditto has been the case in Gulf of Mexico, where you have a named storm, Isaac, now, which has led to a 0.25 percentage point production shut coming in from that area, and that also has been supportive. How do you trade all of these commodities? For that, let's get in Naveen Mathur from Angel. He joins us live on the show. Naveen, hi, welcome. Let's start with gold first. 31,000 holding. How would you want to trade on this one?
Yeah, thank you very much, Manisha, and good morning to you too. I think we still hold the positive view for the intraday position for the gold and silver, and particularly for gold. If one wants to buy the M6 contract on the October, I think the bought position can be done at around 30,980 to 31,000 levels. Stop loss recommended for this trade is 30,900, and we're expecting targets on the upside in the range of around 31,150 to 160. I think, Manisha, trade with strict stop loss and trading discipline, because the prices are hovering. Actually, they are on the record highs, and they are touching record highs every day the last weeks or last few days. I think the caution needs to be taken care of, because the liquidation may happen at certain point of time because of the profit booking. So we recommend a strict stop loss for the trade, but at the same time, we are slightly bullish from here onwards for the gold.
Naveen, would you say that silver clearly is showing an outperformance vis-a-vis gold, up 9% in the previous week? What kind of a range are you expecting for this week, and of course the strategy for today?
Manisha, I think the silver is taking cues from the precious metal side and the base metal side together. If you see, the base metals have taken a boost from the kind of talks we have heard from the various central banks last week. Let's talk about the minutes from the Federal Reserve. Let's talk about the ECB commitment to the Eurozone, and the weekend meetings with the Greece for the German and the French ministers. I think people are looking forward that the euro has to remain strong, and the Eurozone has to be, the Greece has to be within the Eurozone. So I think all the sentiments going positive would be definitely good for the base metal pack. Plus the Chinese premier monetary losing stance also would be positive for the base metals. So both base metals and the precious metal side taking upside view. I think the silver prices will gonna continue on the upside, and for the intraday position, we would recommend to buy the silver contract on the M6 for the month of September at around 58,100 to 58,150. Stop loss for this trade would be recommended at around 57,650, and we are expecting targets at 58,700. Again, would recommend to put strong stop loss orders for the trade.
All right, Naveen, we'll let you go at that. Appreciate your time. So buy calls coming in from Angel, whether it's gold or silver or most of those base metal prices as well during the day. With that, it's back to you, Avan.
Thanks very much, Manisha. So that in fact, wraps up the countdown right here on Traders 20. You've got yourself a whole host of trading ideas. But remember, it's mandatory to warn you that if you choose to take positions in any of the stocks that have been recommended, please do consult your financial advisor before doing so. Let's take time out and thank all of our 6 technical trading experts. Thanks very much for joining in. We wrap it up on Traders 20, but BNSM, the stock game, is coming up next.